Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome, Masters. Tonight we're gonna draw Dr. Lychee. I've learned a lot about him in the past couple of nights. Dr. Lychee is from this alien race called the Tuffles, and I've learned a bit much about him and his kind. The Tuffles are an alien race that lived on an inhabited planet called Planet Plant. After the decimation of Planet Sidala, after it was obliterated in a civil war, the Saiyans invaded and took on another planet and called it Planet Vegeta. The Tuffle race was at war with the Saiyans for a long time. Especially that whole plan with the evolutionary superior tuple plan. Long time ago. Anyways, Dr. Lychee, he joined forces with the father of Goku, Bardock. I consider Dr. Lychee as a really likable character, even though I decided to draw him. I thought it would be nice to include him in the picture. Now we draw the hair on his back of his skull. Alexa played Just Like Fire. Here's his fingers. Now we draw the fingers. Here's his pointer. We have his hands sticking forth. We're almost done, folks. Another thing about Dr. Lychee is that he can create soul copies of past beings, and even bring back those who have lived in the past. That's a long time. And done. That is how you draw Dr. Lychee. Of course, he has his crystal ball that he often meditates on. Anyhow, I finished up the process on drawing this guy, and now the process is complete. Anyhow, I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and I'm proud that you guys watched this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. I should have said like and rock and subscribe to my channel once. Anyways, let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always taking requests, even if it takes a long time. I know it's hard, but I pulled through with it. Anyways, I'll see you soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.